Most people think finance platforms are all hype with fancy dashboards, but the surprising truth about Frontier Finance in 2026 is that it focuses more on practicality than promises. If you're tired of apps that overcomplicate money, this review will save you time and frustration. Frontier Finance is a digital finance platform built around budgeting, cash flow management, and short-term financial stability. It's designed for people who want clarity and control without needing a finance degree. The sign-up process is quick, and once inside, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that shows exactly where your money is going. One of Frontier Finance's strongest features is its cash flow forecasting. Instead of just showing past spending, it predicts upcoming expenses based on patterns. Most people get this wrong by only looking backward, but Frontier helps you prepare before bills hit your account. For example, if rent, utilities, and subscriptions are coming up, the app flags potential shortfalls early. Another helpful feature is its optional cash buffer tool. Eligible users can access small advances to cover gaps between paychecks. These are meant for short-term use, and the app clearly explains repayment timelines to avoid confusion. You won't believe how much stress this removes for users living paycheck to paycheck. Frontier Finance also emphasizes financial education. Short tips appear as you use the app, explaining why certain habits help or hurt your finances. This makes it especially useful for beginners. The downside is that Frontier Finance isn't built for heavy investing or wealth acceleration. It's about stability first, growth second. In conclusion, Frontier Finance in 2026 is still worth it if your priority is staying organized, avoiding surprises, and building healthier money habits. If that sounds useful, subscribe for more clear and honest finance app reviews.